In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use private mode in Midjourney. If you've been generating images in public channels and want more privacy, the simplest way is to move your prompts into a direct message with the Midjourney bot. This keeps your conversation out of busy community rooms, reduces noise, and makes it easier to manage your work without distractions. First, open Discord on desktop or mobile and head to your direct messages. You'll see a list of conversations on the left. Look for the Midjourney bot and click it to open a one-on-one chat. That's all you need to do to switch into a more private workspace. When you're in a direct message, it's just you and the bot. No other users see your prompts in that channel, and your feed isn't cluttered by other people's posts. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to glance at the top of the chat window. You should see the Midjourney bot's profile, and you won't see a list of other members like you would in a server channel. From here, you can prompt exactly as you normally would. Your messages and images will appear in this DM thread, making it easy to scroll back through your work, copy prompts, or revisit variations. A few helpful tips to keep in mind. While direct messages are more private than public channels, your images and metadata may still be associated with your account, and certain content can be visible to Midjourney's systems and moderation team. For truly hidden generations, check your plan details in Midjourney's documentation, as some privacy features are only available on specific subscriptions. Even in DMs, avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in your prompts and consider using neutral file names if you upload reference images. If you don't immediately see the Midjourney bot in your DMs, try searching for it in Discord's search bar and open the chat from there. Once the conversation exists, it will stay pinned in your direct messages for easy access next time. On mobile, you can swipe between chats quickly, which makes jumping into your private Midjourney space very convenient. To recap, using private mode with Midjourney is as straightforward as moving your work into a direct message. Open your DMs, click the Midjourney bot, and continue prompting as usual. You'll enjoy a quieter, more focused workflow and keep your creations out of public channels while you build and refine your ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.